Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we are going to see how to crochet this simple and easy snowflakes ornament, which can also be used as a simple wall decor. All I'm doing here is I'm using a dough with stick, some wooden beads and tassels to convert this into a simple wall decor. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this project I've taken some white yarn, dovette stick, some wooden beads and 3mm crochet hook. Doesn't matter what yarn you are using. I'm using a pound of love yarn in color white. So I'm going ahead creating a magic ring, chain 3 and double crochet 3 together. This is only for the first time we are doing like this. So once you're done with chain 3, double crochet 3 together, we will do chain 3 and then double crochet 4 together. So going forward, work double crochet 4 together and chain 3 around for 5 times. So this is our first double crochet 4 together and then chain 3, work 4 more double crochet 4 together, chain 3 around the magic ring and join with a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3, double crochet 3 together to close this row. So we can start with row 2. So for row 2, slip stitch until you reach the chain 3 space and then work chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, two double crochet on the chain 2 space, chain 3 space, and then chain 2 to reach the next chain 3 space, and in the chain 3 space work 2 double crochet, chain 2, two double crochet and then chain 2 to reach the next chain 3 space. So in every chain 3 space we work 2 double crochet, chain 2 and then in between we work a chain 2. So we're going to work like this around and then we will do a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3. can start with row 3. For row 3, reach to the chain 2 space by doing a slip stitch. Work slip stitch to reach chain 2 space of the previous row, and then work chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet on the chain 2 space, so once we are done working with 3 double crochet, we will work chain 2 and then single crochet on the next chain 2 space. You are going to work chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 2 space, and chain 2, and then in the next chain 2 space work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then in the next chain 2 space work chain 2, single crochet, chain 2. So we are going to work like this around, and then we will complete this round by doing a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3. So continue working like this around. We'll meet at the end of this row. So we can start working our row 4. For row 4, again we are going to reach to our chain 2 space of the previous row, and then work chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and then do a picot stitch. Picot stitch is nothing but chain 3 and slip stitch onto our first chain, and then work 4 double crochet on the chain 2 space, and then work a chain 4 and single crochet on the single crochet of the previous row, and then chain 4 to reach the chain 2 space, and then 4 double crochet, pick out 4 double crochet on the chain 2 space, four double crochet, pick out 4 double crochet on the chain 2 space, and then work chain 4, single crochet on the single crochet of the previous row, chain 4. So we are going to work like this around, and then we will complete this round by doing a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3. So continue working like this around. We'll meet at the end of this row. So I'm going to complete my row 4. I'm doing a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3. So once this is done, you do a slip stitch and secure your yarn. So you can leave as it is, and you can use this as a ornament for your Christmas tree, or what I'm doing here is I'm just doing a working slip stitch to reach my picot stitch, and then from there on I will attach some wooden beads, and then I will tie the other end of the yarn to a duet stick, and in the bottom I will attach a tassel with a wooden bead. here it is, our simple and easy snowflakes ornament, which can also be used as your simple wall decor by attaching your ornament to your 2 wet stick, and some wooden beads tassel will make a simple decor as well. Or you can attach the snowflakes to your Christmas tree as your Christmas tree decoration or ornament. I hope this is very simple and easy, and this is a beginner friendly project. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.